Okay, this is the aftermath, and when you leave a soda in the freezer and forget about it. Jeez, look at that. It looks like a bomb just went out in here. Jeez, I gotta clean out everything in here. Look at that. Here's the soda that was left in here. Uh, Look at that. Wow. There goes the tab right here. Be careful with opening the soda, because there was a man in China who ended up in the hospital with stitches because the soda exploded in his face. So might want to think twice in opening it.